Day 3 in Fiji. Puppy took us for a walk. We had some breakfast. This is Darshina. She works downstairs in the spa at our hotel. She watches my videos. Thank you. Fresh papaya or pawpaw from the market. Our concierge, Poete. He watches my videos too. Thank you. Off on South Sea Ferry to our next accommodation. We jumped on a smaller boat while the other boat got our luggage. Then we had this amazing welcome. What a welcome is that. We got some fresh juices, yum yum yum. Had a sit and a chill while we waited to check in. Cold towels. Then our friend walked us to our beachfront bure with plunge pool. We then just explored the resort. What a perfect day. This is my new favourite saying. Love it. Chilled out on the lounges, soaked up the view, had a snack, went for a swim, then went up to the helipad to watch the sunset. Beautiful. We couldn't resist a selfie at golden hour. Headed down to dinner and found a volleyball game of staff versus guests. Very funny. This place is even stunning when the sun is going down. Oh my goodness. A live band. Cocktail number 1. Fresh fish in coconut milk for dinner. Cocktail number 2. Cheers. Then the crab race. This was Mike Tyson and this is the race. There was an auction for the crabs, raising money for the local school. It was hilarious, it was funny, it was great.